Okay, we're doing a rear panel today. Some things have been blacked out on this one, so they won't come out. So this goes through 2 runs, so this will be the first one. Okay, so we have Dead End Independence, Wheelhouse 41 and Sticky BMX. Towards the end we'll say what they're presenting. Yeah, it's on May, isn't it? Okay, so we'll start off with the second one there. Yeah, it's quite a long process. Okay. Got the heatwave Pattaya Bmx Jam, 7th of May 2023. That's just down at the Bali High Pier near Walking Street in Pattaya Bmx, Thailand. Presented by Dead End Independence, Wheelhouse 41, Sticky BMX. So this is just the first run on this one here. As I was saying earlier, a lot of work goes into this. There was a really good shirt I missed the other day. There was about 5 or 6 colours that went into that. It was a very long process, the boy said. You know, you have to clean the box or the skin each time, put sticky tape on certain parts. Okay, so that's the second pressing of it. So you can see a large difference there. We'll show you this one here. Yeah, he's very quick. He's been doing this for a long time. Yeah, like the young boy that does this, he used to be a hip-hop star here in Thailand. He's got some videos on YouTube and so forth, and I've checked them out. He's very, very good. Yeah, we'll show you some more detail a bit later. But, there's some more footage. So with this job, this is going for a 3rd one now. You know, it depends on the client's request as well. Things can change, like the quality of shirt. Like this shirt here is a really, really high quality one. Other shirts I've had from this particular company, I still have for over 1 year, and the colour is still holding. It's a rubber ink, and one shirt I wear pretty much every week at some point. So as I was saying, like most go through like 2 times, but can go through 3 and 4 depending on the customer's request. We'll show the front of a shirt as well. Okay, here's a front of one. This is XL, like got 2 XLs, got medium and large, and there's also a side sleeve as well. We'll see if we can get a shot of that. Let's see, right for riders for riders for. Pretty cool. Yeah, so that actually can be done on these here. So obviously the sleeve would come on here, and then they're printed out on these screens. See if I can locate a small screen block. These ones here, while I'm looking for that block, can be for your long sleeves here. See, one similar to this would be used. Okay, these ones are safe to show. But yeah, like they have a metal bit here, and they go onto the little metal parts there. Yeah, we'll show a completed product, because with this shirt, like they're doing a couple of separate shirts without the sponsors here. But yeah, like the bloke that owns this, he's booked solid for like 3-4 months still, so we won't plug his business at all. So he's got a lot of customers he's had for a very long time, so he's been going 7-8+ years, and survived through COVID as well. He's got a couple of businesses here, so he's quite a smart man, so to last through COVID and still going. And he employs young Thai boys and helps them on their way through his businesses, and offers them a bright future. Alright, we'll pick this up again shortly. Now here's a Sticky BMX. I can show you this one because it's one of the sponsors in relation to that shirt. I was just showing. Yeah, Sticky BMX. I've done a couple of shorts of his. I used some of his shorts, I should say. He's a Thai guy living in Germany, and he'll be out here for the jam. A lot of the international riders from Europe and around the world will be out here at Bali High. Pretty cool. Yeah, so these have just been dried. So here's the rear. Okay. And we'll look at the front. There. Better get out of the way. So there you have it. There is another design for this shirt as well. We'll see if we've got one of them around, but I quite like this logo. We'll do another one. Sadly, as I said, I missed out on that 5-colour one, which I should have a short of it somewhere. I'll see if I can add that in. Okay, so he's just putting them into stacks of 10 now. So there's all different sizes. It said XXL, XL, large and medium. Didn't see yes for this one, but you never know. Alright, hit the likes, subscribe.